Hey guys, here in this video you can know 5 latest unknown WhatsApp tricks. So watch this video till end because you are going to enjoy it. Well, this is Shafi and welcome to my channel. Guys, sometimes we use audio messages instead of typing to chat with our WhatsApp contacts. Some audios are not perfect to send, like grammatical errors, odd voice, etc. The only way to prevent listening by others is to delete that audio. But how many times will you delete that audio? But here's the trick you should know. We can listen audio after recording and before sending to others. So, hold the mic icon and slide up for lock. Record the audio as much as you want. Go to home screen without closing WhatsApp. And again open WhatsApp from recent apps. And now you can see play icon. So tap on play icon and listen the audio. As we all know, there is a simple trick in WhatsApp is enabling read receipt option. If we get any message from others, they can find that have we read that message or not. Because of this trick, ticks are not turned into blue. But if you want to know your messages are seen or not seen by an enabled read receipt person, then here's a wonderful trick that everyone should know. Just send them any audio, and once you tap on the play icon, you will get the blue ticks. Hence, problem solved. So guys, in WhatsApp we usually chat with many people like friends and group. The newer chat persons will appear first and older chat persons will appear last in our chat. There are some important or favorite persons whom we chat daily with them. So whenever we want to chat such favorite or important persons, we need to scroll down for them to search. To prevent this, there is a simple trick which helps us a lot. Hold your favorite person's chart or group and tap on the spin icon. And now this particular chart is pinned. So this chart will always remain at the top. Well, every one of us have a person who sends good morning and good night photos and videos daily. They shows most affection on you by wasting internet and storage. To solve this issue, there is a simple trick. Tap on their DP or profile picture, tap on eye icon, tap on media visibility, and tap on no. Now if they send any photos or videos, then it will not save in gallery. Guys, the fifth trick or tip is about status. You can create amazing WhatsApp status like this. So tap on camera icon, select any random photo, tap on pen icon and select your favorite color. And now hold on the photo. Now add text and change its font. And also let me tell you, it depends upon your creativity. So you can add whichever text you want and you can change its font. So like this you can create your amazing WhatsApp status. So again I am telling, it just depends upon your creativity. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this trick. Don't forget to give a like and share this video as much as possible. And if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe. Well, thanks for watching. This is Shafi. Meet you soon.